Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do our second Halloween makeup, and it's going to be a robot. I have no idea how we're going to do it, but we are going to do the robot. You just click on this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. And of course, I'm going to start first with primer. This one is from Maybelline. I used this one also on the first Halloween makeup tutorial, and I used this time more than what I used on the first time because I mean it's a Halloween makeup and I feel like I actually need it more. But I love this one for the Halloween makeup looks. So after that, I'm going to use the Rem Beauty Sweetener Concealer to brighten up the under eyes, because even though our makeup is going to be robot, the skin has to look glowy and really cover those dark circles. After that, I'm going to use the Maybelline Stick Concealer. You guys know that I absolutely love this one to basically cover all the pimples or dark spots that I have in the moment, and right now I had a lot. And for the skin, I'm going to use the Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint in the shade 110. I'm going to use this again because I want, like I said before, I want the skin to be glowy. And of course, after that, we're going to start blending. So after that, I said, why not also apply it on the chest, just to even out the skin tone, and also the lines that we're going to make for the boba are going to, I don't know, it's just going to be easier, and I feel like the whole body is going to look cute. After that, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This is in the shade 5 Medium Tan. Of course, because the Milani was too light and this one is too dark, I always combine them. Plus, both are glowy and I like how they look together. The skin looks so beautiful. So after that, like as you guys can see, I'm doing my brows really quick. I have to buy I bought another NYX brow pencil because this one is not actually my favorite. So I'm going to start with the Kellogg's Frosted Flakes palette, and I'm going to get the Go Better eyeshadow. This is a beautiful dark blue, and I'm going to go over basically my eyebrows because I want the eyebrows to look like a dark blue, because this robot is going to be silver but with some touches of blue. And for this time for concealer, I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Tan. Like I said before, I want the under eyes to be very bright. So now the second palette I'm going to be using is Rosie McMichael with Beauty Creation, and I'm going to get the eyeshadow Hello, and we're going to start putting this on your lids and also on the crease to start prepping the eyes, because of course I put some concealer. After that, I'm gonna get Dulcito, which is this beautiful purple lavender eyeshadow color, and I'm gonna start applying it on the crease. I wanted this violet purple color on the eyes, just to switch a little bit with the blue and silver, and I love how it looks. This is one of my favorite colors of this palette. As you guys can see on the outer part of the eyes, I made it a little bit intense. Now with the e.l.f. eyeliner, I'm doing like a really long cat eye intense. Also on the inner corners, I tried to make it kind of long so the eyes look long and big. So now I'm using the color Breakfast Time again with Glam Life Frosted Flakes, and I'm doing also going out on top of the cat eye that I did to have this touch of blue on the eyes, putting some mascara, getting ready my lashes before the falsies. Now underneath the eyes, I'm going to go back with Go Better. I wanted this color to be very thin, but I made a mistake and it was a little bit thicker than what I wanted. But I actually liked how it looked, and I'm going all the way to the inner corner of the eyes, and it gives this intense blue eyes. So after that, I'm going to contour. Remember, when you're going to do a Halloween makeup, try to contour your face a little bit, of course, more intense than what it is. Of course, it depends on what Halloween makeup look you're doing, but I'm also contouring my nose a little bit darker, more intense than what I actually do for regular makeup tutorials. Now with gray paint, I'm doing these lines for the romance, and it's actually whatever lines you want to do. It's not, I didn't even know what to do. I just was going with the flow, and I'm doing this square lines, straight lines on my face. I had no idea, I just went with the flow. So as you guys can see, I'm going all the way to the bottom of my chest. After I finish making the lines, I'm going with the BH Cosmetics palette, Celin, and I'm gonna get Mount Lattice, and I'm going over these lines with this gray shimmer shadow. But I don't know, I didn't really like how it looked, but I still went with that. And then I went with Brand Beauty palette and also got this gray eyeshadow. It was okay. I mean, I was going with the flow, but then you guys will see I changed. I did some circles on this robot to change a little bit the whole lines and cut all those lines of this robot. Now I'm going back again with this classic blue eyeshadow just to make some blue lines and change a little bit with this whole gray robot. Like I told you guys before, I wanted to make some blue and also gray lines. Now with this eyeliner, again, I'm doing like some black lines to make it like three-dimensional, and I'm putting some falsies. Of course, these ones have to be very dramatic, and I love how the eyes look after that. Now for the lips, I'm gonna get the NYX Liquid Suede in this color Stone Fox for the lips, and I think it's such a beautiful color for this makeup. Plus, I love how it looks with the gray lips. But yeah, that's what I use for the lips, and it's not dry at all. It's super smooth on the lips. The final touch is with Beauty Creation, the Nutcracker palette, and I grabbed this Eye Cold eyeshadow palette, and look at this, how beautiful it looks on the lips. And I went into something like this, of course, for the robot. And then I had this idea, I think this was so amazing and beautiful on the lips, why not try it also on the line? So basically all the gray lines that I did for this robot, I decided to use this beautiful Ice Cold eyeshadow from Beauty Creation, and it was perfect for the whole makeup. Then I went back with Glam Matte Frosted Flakes and grabbed Sweet Spark and decided to apply this in some part of my chest just to have this extra shimmer or glitter, just to have an extra puff of this light blue. Also, I applied it on my nose like a highlighter. So to give this final touch, I decided to add some gems on the chest, but on the face, I just added some brown gems. As you guys can see, I'm adding or putting them on the circles where I did on my face, but the rest weird shaped diamonds, I decided to put it on the chest and give extra just circles on my chest, put them in a black with a black eyeshadow. But I feel like it gave this extra touch to this robot. This is the final makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy this robot for this year makeup Halloween makeup look. Oh, I love how it turned out. I love the lips, how it looks. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.